The 1987 Chevrolet El Camino Choo Choo SS is one of the most unusual factory-authorized custom vehicles of the 1980s. It combined the practicality of a pickup truck with the styling of a muscle car. The story of this vehicle began long before 1987, during the final years of the Chevrolet El Camino line. The Chevrolet El Camino first appeared in 1959 as a coupe utility vehicle designed to combine passenger car comfort with cargo-carrying ability. Production stopped after 1960 but returned in 1964. By 1978, the model moved on to General Motors' G-body platform, sharing many components with the Chevrolet Malibu and Monte Carlo. During the early 1980s, sales of the El Camino started to decline because compact pickup trucks became more popular. Chevrolet needed a way to keep the vehicle attractive to buyers without spending money on a complete redesign. At that time, Choo Choo Customs, a company from Chattanooga, Tennessee, became involved. Founded in 1975 by John Rogers and Terry Rutherford, the company originally specialized in custom conversion vans. Choo Choo became one of Chevrolet's most successful specialty partners and operated a large factory capable of producing dozens of customized vehicles every day. In 1983, Chevrolet partnered with Choo Choo Customs to create a special version of the El Camino SS. These vehicles were shipped directly from General Motors factories to Chattanooga, where the modifications were installed. Unlike ordinary aftermarket conversions, the Choo Choo models were officially authorized by Chevrolet and sold through dealerships with factory warranties. The Choo Choo conversion focused mainly on styling. The vehicle received a Monte Carlo SS-inspired aerodynamic front fascia, special decals, unique badging, custom trim, and revised lighting elements. Some versions also included side skirts with integrated exhaust outlets. Every vehicle carried special certification decals with production numbers. Around 5,000 examples were built between 1983 and 1987, making them relatively rare today. Under the hood, the original El Camino Choo Choo SS usually retained Chevrolet's 5.0-liter small-block V8 engine producing around 150 horsepower. Unlike the Monte Carlo SS, the El Camino never received the more powerful high-output V8 from the factory. Because of this, many owners later upgraded their vehicles with modern performance engines. One of the most famous surviving examples is a heavily modified 1987 Chevrolet El Camino Choo Choo SS equipped with a modern 6.2-liter LS3 V8 crate engine. This engine produces approximately 430 horsepower, almost 3 times more power than the original factory setup. The vehicle also received a 200 R4 4-speed automatic transmission, QA1 coilover suspension, tubular control arms, Willwood 4-wheel disc brakes, headers, X-pipe exhaust, and upgraded cooling systems. These modifications transformed the El Camino from a stylish cruiser into a serious high-performance machine. The interior was modernized as well. Procar bucket seats, upgraded carpeting, sound insulation, air conditioning, a Pioneer Bluetooth audio system, and refinished door panels improved comfort and usability. The exterior was refinished in black with white graphics, preserving the classic Choo Choo appearance while giving the vehicle a fresh and aggressive look. Despite its popularity among collectors, this particular El Camino is not perfect. Vehicle history reports show front-end accidents in 2008 and 2016, as well as roof and front damage in 2020. Some components, including the windshield washers, parking brake, and gear indicator, remain non-functional. The dashboard is also cracked. However, these imperfections do not reduce the vehicle's historical importance or collector interest. Today, the 1987 Chevrolet El Camino Choo Choo SS represents the final chapter of the El Camino story. It combines American muscle car culture, factory-authorized customization, and 1980s automotive design in one vehicle. Rare production numbers, unique styling, and modern performance upgrades continue to make these cars highly desirable among collectors and enthusiasts around the world.